Hey, so today I'm going to show you how to fix all stuttering in whatever you're doing on your PC. This happens a lot when you actually have a high-end PC, but you still get stuttering anyways. It's not because your PC is bad. Windows is just being stupid, and we're going to fix it right now. So what you're going to want to do is go to your File Explorer, wherever that is. You're going to want to go down to where your boot drive is. When you're on your boot drive, go to Windows. Go down until you see System32 right here. And you're going to want to scroll all the way down until you find, starts with a G, right here, GameBarPresenceWriter. For me, it says GameBarPresenceWriter 2 because I already did this a while back, but it should say just GameBarPresenceWriter. So you're going to want to right click on it and go to Properties, and sorry, did that wrong. Properties, and we won't need this until the end. So, let's talk about this for a bit. So this is the reason for why your games are lagging. This actually it has a startup on the computer every time you run a game for some reason, and it causes stuttering because it tries to ask for a lot of packets at the same time that your game's also trying to ask for packets. And so your computer tends to slow down whether you have a high-end PC or not. And so in order to first fix it, we're going to want to go to Security, go to Advanced, and I already did this tutorial just to remind you. So a lot of this is going to look different for you guys, but I'm going to do it the exact same way. Go to Change. Here, you're going to want to put the name of the administrator on your computer. If you don't know what that is, you can go to here, your Windows, and go to where it says Change Account Settings, and it will show you when the screen pops up in your settings. So if you actually logged in using your Microsoft account or like your email, you can also use that account too. Just type in your email here and click Check Names. And then click OK. And it should put you as the owner. And so basically, you're going to want to click Apply, OK, and get out of there. And we're going to do it again, Advanced. But this time, you're going to want to add, select a principal, add your name again, check your name, and then OK. Once you did that, click check full control. It's weird because as an administrator, you don't actually have full control of everything. But in this case, we're going to give it to ourselves. So once you check it, you look OK, and click on any pop-ups that you get, click yes, it's all safe, because it's your own computer. You're not downloading anything. And so once you did that, you should pop up as the bottom principal, at the bottom of the permission entries. And when you have that, you want to click apply, and then OK. And we're going to do the final step, which is changing it, giving the ownership back to the TrustedInstaller. So you're going to go to Advanced, go to Change, and in order to change it back to the TrustedInstaller, you actually can't just type in TrustedInstaller. It actually says you can't find it, and this is the error you get if it can't find who you are. You have to type in NT service / TrustedInstaller, and then check names. And it should be underlined if it works. Same thing goes for your name also, but yeah. And you're going to click OK, and it should recorrect it. And so this is the new owner. Sorry, this is not the owner. So it should change the new owner back to the TrustedInstaller. And as you can see in the principles, you have full control, and the TrustedInstaller both has full control. And so you're going to want to apply, OK, and you're basically done. Now, what doing all of that has allowed you to do is allowed you to go back into the System32, right-click on this, and just rename it. So it used to be just that, but just rename it to something numerical like 2. something easy. And just like that, all the programs that try to start this up as a startup process in the background actually can't, because it's going to be looking for GameBarPresenceWriter, but it can't find, like, this one's named 2, so it's not going to find it. So it will never run. And in that way, you don't delete any processes, but you also don't use them anyways. So yeah. So, and then after that, you just need to restart your computer here. And well, I mean, obviously, everyone knows how to restart your computer, but basically, you just restart it and you should be good to go. And that's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.